morning, students. Once again, welcome to you in DSS online classes. Myself, Saroj Srivastava, and today we are going to perform an activities. Students, earlier we have discussed about what are the things that float and what are things. Now let's perform an activity that is given in your book and understand it. Here there are two tables. We have to put things in water and let's see what things are float and what are things. So now start the activity.
So, we start the activity. First, empty bowl, katori. I guess before I did it. Right marks. I saw when I did it. Right mark because empty bowl katori is float. Second, after putting in 6 or 7 small pebbles, one by one. I guess it be sink, but when I did it, it float, so it right marks. Iron nail or pin, I guess it sink, so you can see it sink, so it cross. Matchstick, I guess before I did it, it float, so you can see when I did it, it float, so right marks. Empty plastic bottle with its lid closed. I guess before I did it, it float, so right marks. When I did it, it right marks. Bottle half filled with water. I guess it float, so right marks. When I did it, it float, so trick right marks. Bottle full of water. I guess before I did it, it right marks. When I did it, it sank, so cross. Now, aluminum foil for medicine packing. Firstly, open and spread out. I guess it float, so trick right marks. When I did it, it right marks. Press tightly into a ball. It float, so right marks. When I did it, it sink because the weight of aluminum foil when you press tightly it heavy and then it sink. See in a cup like shape. I guess it float, so right marks. When I did it, it float, so trick right marks. Soap case, I guess it sink, so cross. And when you see the experiment, it sink, so cross the table. Soap cake on a small plastic plate. I guess it sink, but when I did it, it float, so trick right marks. A piece and last, a piece of ice cube. Before I did it, I guess it float. When I did it, it float. So this activity we can Done. After doing the experiment, we will do this fill in the blanks. First, the iron nail sank in water, but the katori floated. I think this happened because the nail displaced less water and katori displaced more water. Second, the empty plastic bottle floated on water. The bottle filled with water sank because weight of filled bottle was more than the displaced water by 8. And at last, third, the aluminium foil floated when it was spread out. When pressed tightly into a ball, it sank. This may have happened because a spread out foil displaces more water compared to its weight. Students, do this activity in your book, and today that's it all.